सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा। ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। संस्कृतस्य प्रसाराय नैजं सर्वं ददाम्यहम्। संस्कृतस्य सदा भक्तो वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। संस्कृतस्य कृते जीवन् संस्कृतस्य कृते यजन् आत्मानमाहुतं मन्ये वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। अस्तु. So in the previous class we had done about the karmani prayoga. This we have finished. So we'll do a small exercise. Okay, this we had done. Pat dhatu parasmai pat dhatu, how does it come? What are the declensions?
Yeah.
Pathyate,
Yeah plus
patyete,
te.
pathyante. Then for madhyama purusha,
Patyase,
pathyase,
patyete, patyatve.
pathyate. Okay, there's a typo here. Uttama purushah,
Bandhu dhatu.
uttama purushah,
Patye, patyamahe, patyamahe.
Okay. So we'll do a small exercise. Change to karmani. Okay, kartari sentences are given. Change it to karmani. Okay, we know the rules, right? How we have to change. In kartari it will always be very good, correct. So that, remember that, and we will try to do this. The first one, balakaha patham pathanti. So how will it be? वदतु भगिनी.
बालकेन पाठः पठ्यते.
बालकेन पाठः पठ्यते. वेरी गुड.
बालकाः वा?
बालकैः. वेरी नैस्. नेक्स्ट, सीता दीपं ज्वालयति.
सीतया दीपः ज्वालयते. ज्वाल्यते.
सीता दीपः ज्वाल्यते. सम्यक्. Just a second, just hold on please. Just give me one moment. Okay. सीतया दीपः ज्वाल्यते. Next one, बालिके चित्रे लिखतः. What will come? बालिके चित्रे लिखतः. मीरा भगिनी.
बालिका चित्रं
बालिके इति भवति किल? So
द्विवचनम्.
अस्तु. So तृतीया विभक्ति मध्ये बालिके कथं भवति? बालिके इति
सीताभ्यां बालिकाभ्यां
चित्रं वा? चित्रमिति नपुंसकलिङ्गपदमस्ति किल? चित्रं चित्रे चित्राणि इति भवति.
चित्रे चित्राणि like
प्रथमा द्वितीया
पलमे चित्राभ्यां
कथं चित्राभ्यां भवति?
बालिकाभ्यां चित्रं चित्रे
311
चित्रे चित्राणि चित्रेण चित्
311 किल 1 to 1, from 1 to 1 we will take it to 311, correct? That is what we did. So here balike, so this is kartari. On your left side you have kartari. So kartari, how, what will it become? 3, sorry, kartari 1 to 1. So it means chitre is
1 to 1
dvitiya vibhakti. So
बालिकाभ्यां
now
चित्रे
vadatu.
बालिकाभ्यां चित्रे लिख्यते
सम्यक् बालिकाभ्यां चित्रे लिख्यते. Now जनाः देवं वन्दन्ते. वदतु. वदतु भगिनी.
जनैः
विजया
जनैः
अस्तु अस्तु.
वन्द्यते जनैः देवः वन्द्यते
जनैः
देवः वन्द्यते
जनैः देवः वन्द्यते. सम्यक्. Sorry, I made a mistake here. Correct it. Okay. वयं निर्धनेभ्यः अन्नं दद्मः.
अस्माभिः
वेरी गुड.
अस्माभिः अन्नं दद्यते अस्माभिः निर्धनेभ्यः अन्नं
दाधातु कथं भवति? If there is an दीयते. Correct. दीयते. अस्माभिः निर्धनेभ्यः अन्नं दीयते. अम्बा पाकं पचति. मीरा भगिनी वदतु. बृंदा भगिनी तो न वदतु. बृंदा भगिनी.
Yes, ma'am.
एकमपि
Amba is number 1. So it should be converted to 3. Ambaya 1 2 Pakah Pachanti won't come. Pachyate.
Very good. That's it. Next one. Aham geetam gayami.
Aham. Maya. Thank you. Maya. One second, ma'am. Maya is number 3, so it should be 1. Maya Geetam. So Geetam will be Geetam. Gayam. Geetam won't change, no, ma'am. Geetam should be. Okay. Gayami, Gayati. Giyate.
Maya geetam giyate. Okay. Now you have to find the errors in these sentences, okay, and then correct it. Okay, whatever is the error, you will correct. First one. Tena patham pathyate. What is the mistake here?
पाठः
Tena pathah pathyate. Correct. So this is karmani. So pathyate will कर्ममेव अनुसरति किल. पाठः इति. तेन पाठः पठ्यते. वेरी नैस्. सीता पुष्पाणि अर्प्यते. सर्वे प्रयत्नं करोतु.
सीतया पुष्पाणि
Oh God.
पुष्पे सो द्वितीय विभक्ति will be same तो पुष्पाणि
सीतया पुष्पाणि अर्प्यते
अर्प्यते इति भवति वा?
अर्प्यन्ते
Arpyante. That's what I thought.
सीतया पुष्पाणि अर्प्यन्ते. किं भवति? एकनिमिषं पश्यन्तु. सीतया पुष्पाणि अर्प्यन्ते. ओके. नेक्स्ट. वयं फलं खाद्यते. What are the mistakes here?
अस्माभिः मिस्टेक् अस्माभिः फलं अस्माभिः खाद्यामहे.
वै कर्मणि मध्ये किं भवति? कर्म एव अनुसरति किल? कर्म इस् फलमेव. फलम् एकवचनरूपम् अपि. अतः खाद्यते एव. अस्माभिः 311 अस्माभिः फलं खाद्यते. अनन्तरं जनकेन पुत्रं श्लाघते. अत्र वदतु.
जनकेन पुत्रः श्लाघ्यते
जनकेन
पुत्रः श्लाघ्यते.
There are two mistakes here. So जनकेन पुत्रं न भवति. द्वितीया विभक्ति मध्ये न भवति. पुत्रः. श्लाघते अपि न भवति. श्लाघ्यते. त्वं प्रश्नं पृच्छन्ते.
त्वया
प्रश्नः
त्वं प्रश्नः पृच्छ्यते. पृच्छ्यसे. त्वं त्वया प्रश्नः पृच्छ्यसे.
त्वया प्रश्नः पृच्छ्यते. सम्यक्.
இப்படி சொல்றாங்கல்ல त्वं प्रश्नं पृच्छति. அதுவும் சொல்றாங்க.
என்னமா? one more time.
கர்மணில தான் இருக்கணும் இல்ல?
இல்லையே. Just because you are learning karmani, so karmanila பண்ணணும். Otherwise you can always say tvam prashnam என்ன வரும்? pruchhyasi. அவ்வளவுதான். Very nice. That is not wrong. Okay. सर्वैः भोजनं खादन्ति. वदतु.
सर्वैः भोजनं खाद्यते.
सर्वैः भोजनं खाद्यते. सम्यक्. नेक्स्ट. शिशुना क्षीरं पिबन्ति.
शिशुना क्षीरं पीयते.
शिशुना क्षीरं
पीयते
पीयते कथं पीयते why पीयते oh no
पात्रतु
okay
पात्रतु
because the karma is what kshiram eva so shishuna kshiram piyate ashtu okay let's stop here go to the next one chatushloka so chatushloka so re rasabha vastrabharavahanaat कुग्रासमश्र अश्नासि किं राजाश्वास्थं प्रयाहि चणकाभूय this is not clear to me I'll just read from this okay चणकाभ्यूषं सुखं भक्षय सर्वान् उच्छवतो हया इति वदन्त्यत्राधिकारे स्थिताः राजा तैरुपदिष्टमेव मनुते सत्यं तटस्थाः परे okay so can anybody say the meaning of this chatushloka you have already done I suppose one at least a few of you should have done it anybody okay so here what is happening yeah Vijaya Bhagini vadatu
one sadhu has come and present his thing but he was not respected by the raja
very
the
good
king
very
so
good
he was very much wounded of their activity so he was telling by seeing the donkey don't worry that you are carrying such a heavy load by taking worse food you can go very well to the horses
stable
yard. And then you can eat all those
Chanaka, that is correct
they won't beat you because you should not worry about it because the persons working there they will treat you like a horse because the person which has the tail
correct very
resembles
nice
them only the horse
very nice very good so here very nice so
even
actually
the person who know about the reality they won't speak
exactly very nice very nice my teacher used to do this for us like she used to ask us to present Vaniji was there she used to ask us to present each and every topic we had to say the meaning and everything and then we had to do it so that actually gives us a very good confidence and clarity of this whole thing so that is very nice Vijay okay here what they are saying re is what sambodhana re rasabha is donkey vastra bharavahanat kugrasam ashnasi kim okay so rasabha this donkey he is calling the donkey and he is saying so as Vijaya Bhagini said the scholar went to the court of the king okay and there nobody respected him so he felt very bad because usually in those days, whenever a person goes to the like a very big scholar goes to the king, they are very much respected by the king and the what do you say, the people who are there, mantris who are there, the officers who are there. They are actually very much respected by them. But here these people did not respect him at all, and they just ignored him and treated him like just as an ordinary man. So he felt very bad about this. So when he came out, he saw a donkey. So he is telling this to the donkey. Okay. So that is what. So here, so here what is happening? Re rasava vastra bhara vahanat. So you are carrying the weight of this vastram, that is the cloth, isn't it? You are carrying so much, and then what are you getting? You are getting only kugrasam, that is only this grass and all. Okay, you're not getting any proper food. So what you are getting is only kugrasam. So what you do is Raja Ashwa Avastham. So you go there. You go to this Avastham, that is the place where these horses are kept. That is the stable. Okay. Whose stable? The Raja's stable. So you go there. So Prayahi Chanaka means the kadala, isn't it? Chanaka is that gram. Okay, Chanaka. Abhyusham is cooked. Nicely they cook and they do the gram, they cook and all, and then they give sukham bhakshaya. You can eat there peacefully. Okay, you can be in the horse's stable and they will give you nice cooked gram and all. You can eat and live peacefully. Sarvan puchhavato. Sarvan, all the animals that have this pucha tail, that have the tail, puchhavato haya iti vadanti. So haya means horse. So they puchhavato, any animal that has a tail, they will call it as the horse. Okay, vadanti atra adhikare sitaha. So the people who are there, okay, the officers, the people in charge, these people, what they say is any animal with a tail is a horse, is what they say. Raja taihi upadishtam eva. So Raja taihi, that is of the by the officers, whatever they say, okay, their advice, whatever upadishtam, so their advice. So their advice only the Raja will adhere to. Okay, he will listen and he will think that that is the truth. Okay, tatasthaha pare. People who know the truth also, they will all stay away. That is what is said here. Okay, this he is mocking this Rajyam, that is where this you have the you are a big scholar, but still they don't they don't identify you. Okay, they don't give you any respect. So he is just telling it in a very sarcastic way. Okay, so that is what. Next, samasya. Aham cha tvam cha Rajendra lok. Vijaya Bhagini, vadatu.
Jan 2024 क्वेश्चन கேட்டிருக்காங்கல ஜி. அதாவது அன்வயம் 5 மார்க்ஸ், அப்புறம் சமஸ்யா இல்லனா சார்ட் ஷோ ஏதாவது ஒண்ணுல மாதிரி வச்சு क्वेश्चन. அது எப்படி எழுதணும்னு தெரியல. அது எப்படி கேட்டிருக்காங்க அந்த क्वेश्चनோட இது?
I don't have the question paper இப்போ என்கிட்ட. நான் அதை பார்த்தா தான் சொல்ல முடியும். We'll do one thing. In the chapter 5 முடிச்சிட்டு we'll do a small ஒரு revision மாதிரி பார்க்கலாம். We'll just see how the question papers are if you want. We'll do that. நிச்சயமா அதை பண்ணுவோம். மெயின் இந்த 5 chapters நல்லா thorough பண்ணிக்கோங்க. first 5 chapters. Usually you will be able to answer most of the questions, especially the theory portions. Samasya, Anvayaha, idellame mukavasi adla vandu cover ஆயிடும். So after this chapter we will do that. I don't have the question paper. If you have, you just send it in the group.
Actually, what they have asked is samasyayaha samadhanam kimiti likata.
Okay.
Kimiti likatana what it makes sense. Any language or what they are asking? Sataschandraha nabasthalam akashe shatam chandraha bhavanti kim. Another one is anyone you have to write. As Varshasyaikam dhinam gauri pativakratam na pashyati Bhadra Shukla Chatushtayartam to Chandra
This is in which section?
Darshana.
These questions are in which section? Section B, C. They would have written on top itself. You can write it in English. Tritiya Bhaga. Usually it will be that you can write it in English or your mother tongue or Sanskrit. Any one of they would have given that very clearly on top itself.
Actually, in the Slokasya Anvayam Bhavata Tamil, Angila, Samskrita, Bhashaya, Bhaikata. In that heading it has been given. But in this actually, Samasyayaha Samadhanam Kimiti Likata they have said. So that only I have doubt.
That you can write. No, see, for this samasya you have here. How? What is the riddle? That is the riddle. How are you going to solve it? What is the solution for this? That is what they are asking you.
So in any language you can write. That is
you can like yes. Like here we have the samasya here. The answer is given. No, the answer to the riddle is given in English itself. Yeah. So whatever language you have chosen, you can write it in that. Maybe Tamil or English, whatever. Even in Sanskrit, if you can write it. No problem. Okay. Aham cha tvam cha Rajendra Lokanathau Ubhavapi Bahuvrihi Raham Rajan Shashti Tatpurusho Bhavan. So here there's a beggar who is telling this shloka. Okay, so he is telling it to the king that Aham cha tvam cha, you and me, Rajendra. So we both are what? Aham cha tvam cha Rajendra Lokanathau Ubhavapi. So we are both Lokanatha. So we are both Lokanatha. Ubhavapi, that is both of us. Bahuvrihi Raham Rajan Shashti Tatpurusho Bhavan. I am in the sense of Bahuvrihi, whereas you are in the sense of the Shashti Tatpurusha. So this Bahuvrihi and Tatpurusha both are a type of samasa. Samasa which we will learn only in Kovida, but just to know here. So here in Bahuvrihi, so Lokanatha, okay, Lokanatha. Lokanatha, this one, when we get it in Bahuvrihi Samasaha, it becomes Lokaha Nathaha Yasya Saha, Lokanatha. Okay, it means Lokaha, that is the people. People are this person's Nathaha. Okay, so he who, like you can see the answer also, he whose patrons are the people. Okay, so that is Bahuvrihi Samasaha. But in Tatpurusha Samasaha, Shashti Tatpurusha, it becomes Lokasya Nathaha, Lokanam Nathaha, Lokasya Nathaha, Lokanam Nathaha. Okay, he is the Lord of the people. Okay, there the people are the Lord of this person, that is Lokanatha. But in Shashti Tatpurusha, it becomes the Lord of the people. Okay, that is why he says, for me it is in the form of Bahuvrihi, but for you it is like Shashti Tatpurusha. Okay, very intelligent beggar. Okay, next Subhashitam. Any one of you read Subhashitam. Brinda Bhagini Patatu.
आं भगिनि. पद्माकरं दिनकरे विकसीकरोति.
पद्माकरं दिनकरो विकसीकरोति.
चन्द्रो विका विकासयति कैरवचक्रवालय कैरवचक्रवालं
कैरवचक्रवालं
कैरवचक्रवालं नाभ्यार्थितो जलधरोपि जलं ददाति सन्तः स्वयं परहिते निहिताभियोगाः.
Very nice. So here Padmakaram, Padma ityukte lotus, Kamalam. Akaram ityukte somewhere a place where all these lotuses are there. So Padmakaram is a place where all the lotuses are there. So that refers to the pond or the sarovara. Sarovara. So this Padmakaram, Dinakaraha is Suryaha. Okay. Vikachi karoti ityukte vikasayati. Okay. Udghatayati. Kimapi. So what does this do? The Padmakaram, that is the lotuses that are there in this pond. Okay. They bloom. Okay, they bloom because of the sun's rays. Okay, because of the sun. The sun makes the lotus bloom. Okay. Chandro vikasayati kairava chakravalam. Chandro, moon. Chandraha, moon. Vikasayati, the same bloom. Okay, vikasayati. And kairava chakravalam. Kairava chakravalam is those lily flowers. Okay, lily flowers. So these flowers bloom at night when the moon rays fall on them. Okay, so that is what is saying. So this Chandraha, what does it do? It makes the lily flowers bloom. Okay. So these two we have seen. So the sun makes the lotus in the pond bloom. Similarly, the Chandraha, the moon, also makes the lilies, Kairava Chakravalam, these flowers bloom. Okay. Na abhyarthito jaladharo api jalam dadati. Okay. So Jaladharaha is Jala is water. Dharaha, that which holds the water, that is nothing but a cloud. Meghaha. Okay. So this clouds api jalam dadati. Okay. The clouds give water. How do they give water? Na abhyarthito. Na abhyarthito means that is without asking. Okay. Kopina prishtavan. Kila jalam dadatu iti kopina prishtavan. Kintu the jaladharaha meghaha jalam dadati eva. So similarly, so without even asking, nobody asked for it. Nobody was even telling that, no, pleaded that you give the water, but it gives. Okay. Santaha evameva santaha kim karoti swayam parahite nihita abhiyogaha. So the santaha noblemen, sajjanaha uttama purushaha swayam parahite. Swayam parahite means they help the others, for the welfare of the others. Sarvada te anya janaha shubhameva chintayanti. Parahite hitameva kurvanti. Nihitabhiyogaha means they are always engaged, or they are always into it. Okay. That is what. So undertake to do something. Yes. So they are always into it. So Santaha Swayam Parahite Nihitabhiyogaha. So similarly, the Santaha, the noble people, they always are into helping others, are for the welfare of the others. They keep working for the welfare of the others. Nobody needs to ask them that you give me, you do this to me, you do that to me. Nobody needs to ask. But they do it on their own. Swayam. So they do it on their own. So, okay. So that is the Subhashitam here. So here the Padmakaram, that is the lotuses, they bloom. So the Dinakaraha, that is the sun, makes the lotuses bloom. Okay. So the lotus is not asking, make me bloom, okay, Dinakaraha, you come and then you make me bloom. No. Now nobody is asking. But it does so. Okay. Without any, they don't, they don't expect anything. Without any expectation, the Surya is doing this. Okay. It is making the Padmam bloom, the lotus bloom. Similarly, the Chandran also makes the Kairava Chakravalam, that is the lilies, bloom. Okay. Similarly, the clouds also give water without us asking for it. Right? Similarly, the Santaha, the noble people, also always work towards the welfare of other people on their own. Okay, nobody needs to go and tell them about it. So that is what is the meaning of this Subhashitam. Here Pada Vibhagaha, Meera Bhagini Karotu.
आं भगिनि the same thing
Padmakaram.
पद्माकरं दिनकरः विकचीकरोति चन्द्रः विकासयति कैरवचक्रवालं नाभ्यर्थितो अभ्यर्थितः जलधरः अपि जलं ददाति सन्तः स्वयं परहिते निहिताभियोगाः.
Very nice, very nice. Okay, so this is clear. We'll go to the next.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Next, we go to the next Subhashitam. We'll finish the Subhashitam today. Okay, read.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am, I have a doubt. So here, Arabhante there is a Avagraham there, no, ma'am? Do we have a separate matra for Avagraham, ma'am?
No, actually this we are using it, there is actually nothing. This is just for us to know that there is a
silent
over there.
Silent.
It's silent. That sign we have just given, but there is no need to even pronounce that. We need to understand that there is a akaram over there.
Okay, so no separate matra for it.
No.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Read, Bhagini. One of you read. Vijaya Bhagini Patatu.
आरम्भन्ते अल्पमे वाज्ञाः कामं व्यग्रा भवन्ति च महारम्भाः कृतज्ञः तिष्ठन्ति च निराकुलाः. पदविभागः आरम्भन्ते अल्पम् एव अज्ञाः कामं व्यग्राः भवन्ति च महारम्भाः कृतधियः तिष्ठन्ति च निराकुलाः.
बहु सम्यक्, बहु सम्यक्. So here you see आरभन्ते अल्पमेव अज्ञाः कामं व्यग्रा भवन्ति च भवन्ति. अस्तु. So here you have this bhavanti as a kriyapadam. Arabhante is also a kriyapadam. Okay. Arabhante alpameva ajnaha. Okay, right. So here ajnaha means people, ignorant people. Ajnaha is ignorant people. So these Ajnaha Alpameva Arabhante. So these ignorant people or okay, these type of people, what they do, Alpameva, Alpam, little, Swalpam, Alpameva Arabhante, they start or they begin. So what they do, they start only small some work. Okay, they start very small work only. Kamam vyagra bhavanti cha. Kamam here means more. More. Kamam vyagra bhavanti cha. So vyagra means they become chintitaha, they become vyakulaha. Okay, they are very much what do you say, vyakulaha, that is they become tensed. Okay, they become very tensed, so they are stressed out when even a small work, what they have started is a small work, okay, very small work, but even while doing that work, okay, so kamam vyagra cha bhavanti, so when they start doing this, so a little more of it, they become very tensed. Okay, when there is a problem or anything of that sort, they become very tensed. But we are seeing the contrast. Maharambhaha kritadhiyaha tishtanti cha nirakulaha. Maharambhaha, people who have started with big jobs, great jobs, okay, big jobs. Kritadhiyaha. Kritadhiyaha means again wise people, okay, very knowledgeable people, wise people, okay, uttama janaha iti api vaktum shakyate. Kritadhiyaha tishtanti cha nirakulaha. So they are not tensed at all, they are not agitated, so they are all shantah eva bhavanti. They are all sitting very cool. See, they have taken up big jobs. So big job means obviously they are going to have lot of problems in that. But they don't tend to be actually disturbed by that. Okay, they are very cool. Okay, so that is what is the meaning here. So we usually have no so much of work. Okay, small works are only there, but we become so stressed out. Okay, so most of the people are like that only. Okay, so there are very few people, when you see that people take up big jobs, but even when problems or anything arise in that, they never get upset so soon. Okay, and they are very cool in facing that. They don't get disturbed, they don't get tensed, stressed out by that. Okay, so that is what is the meaning here. Okay, so here it will begin. Ajnaha alpameva arabhante kamam vyagra cha bhavanti kritadhiyaha. Kritadhiyaha is bahuvachanam. Okay, kritadhihi. Kritadhiyaha maharambhaha visheshana padam for kritadhiyaha. Kritadhiyaha maharambhaha cha nirakulaha tishtanti. Okay, that will be the anvaya here. And they won't ask anvaya here. Still. Clear ma this much? Okay.
आं भगिनि.
काव्य कथा पठतु. फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ.
दिलीपः वृद्धः सज्ञातः. सः भार्यया सह वनम् आगच्छत्. वानप्रस्थाश्रमं स्वीकृतवान्. रघुः सिंहासनम् आरूढवान्. ततः सः दिग्विजयं कृतवान्. सर्वान् देशान् जितवान्. विजयानन्तरं रघुः विश्वजित् यागं कृतवान्. तस्मिन् यागे सर्वस्वं दक्षिणा भवति. रघुमहाराजः सर्वस्य दानं कृतवान्. तस्य कोशः निःशेषः जातः.
अस्तु, मीनिंग वदतु.
दिलीपः वृद्धः सज्ञात्. Dilipa was getting old. सः भार्यया सह वनम् आगच्छे. He went along with his wife to forest. वानप्रस्थाश्रमं स्वीकृतवान्. So he accepted the life in the forest.
Correct.
Raghuः सिंहासनम् आरूढवान्. So his son Raghu was crowned. ततः सः दिग्विजयं कृतवान्. So he went on दिग्विजया. सर्वान् देशान् जितवान्. He won most of the kingdoms.
Who won?
Raghuः. दिग्विजयानन्तरं रघुः विश्वजित् यागं कृतवान्. So after दिग्विजया Raghu performed विश्वजित् यागा. तस्मिन् यागे सर्वस्वं दक्षिणा भवति. In that यज्ञा सर्वस्वं
Everything.
Okay, he gave everything as dana.
Sarvasvam. Everything he gave it as dakshina in that.
Dakshina. Raghu Maharajah sarvasya danam kritavan. So he gave he donated things to everybody.
Correct.
तस्य कोशः निःशेषः जातः. So his treasure cave became empty.
Very good.
His treasury.
Super. Wonderful. Very nice. Next, Vijaya Bhagini.
कौत्सः तपस्वी कुमारः वरदत्तु मुनेः शिष्यः. कौत्सः एक तपस्वी कुमारः. He is the son of वरदत्तु मुनेः शिष्यः. वरदत्तु मुनि स्टूडेंट ऑफ वरदत्तु मुनि.
वरदत्तु मुनेः किं विभक्ति भवति?
वरदत्तु मुनेः that is पंचमीया षष्ठीया.
वदतु. सः वरदत्तु मुनेः शिष्यः.
वरदत्तु मुनेः मुनयः मुनिना मुने चतुर्थ्या
षष्ठी एव किल? वरदत्तु मुनियोड शिष्यः. So it is वरदत्तु मुनेः. Sixth षष्ठी विभक्ति.
षष्ठी. सः रघुमहाराजस्य समीपं गुरवे दानार्थं धनं प्रष्टुम् आगतवान्. He came to the courtyard of Raghu Maharaj, and then he was about to give the dhanam, that is he has to give money for the study of.
Na Bhagini. Read it properly. Saha Raghu Maharajasya Samipam. Okay. So of Raghu Maharaja, he went near Samipam. He went near Raghu Maharaja. Gurave Danartham. Gurave. Fourth vibhakti. So to give danam to his guru. His guru is who? Varatantu Muni. So to give danam to, because Guru Dakshina he has to give, no? So to give the danam to Varatantu Muni, he came to Raghu Maharaja to ask for some dhanam, for some money. Okay. Prashtum iti grammar in vyakaranam.
That is tumun pratyayam.
Tumun. Samyak. Tumu. Prashtum.
Raghuhu mrittika patrena ardhya dattavan. In the with the vessel made of sand, that is
மண்பானை. அதான் மிருத்திகா. மிருத்திகானா மண். மண் பாத்திரத்துல. ஓகே, ரகுஹு மிருத்திகா பாத்திரேன. சோ ஒரு மண் பாத்திரத்துல வந்து அவர் அர்க்யம் கொடுத்தாராம். ஓகே, சோ அர்க்யம் தத்தவான்.
अर्घ्यं दत्तवान् तेन एव कौत्सः विषयं ज्ञातवान्. By seeing this he able to understand that his position in the that is
Very good.
monetary position.
Very good, very good.
Raghuः क्षेमं पृष्टवान्. Raghu was asking about his well-being.
Well-being, very good.
आगमनकारणं च अपृच्छत्. On what way he can help him or something like
Agamana karanam. What was the reason for his coming here? Agamana for coming, karanam reason. Okay, agamana karanam cha aprichat.
Kautsaha avadat. He said, Guru Dakshina maya datavya. I have to give my Guru Dakshina to my Guru.
Very good.
Tvam idanim nirdanaha. But you are not having enough money. Yachanam na yuktam. At that time I should not ask you. That is not fine to get.
It is not right for me. Correct.
Right
so
for
Tvam idanim nirdanam, because he has given everything in danam. So what has happened? He has become poor. Nirdhana, poor. So you have become poor now. So asking a poor is not right. Okay, na yuktam. It is not right.
Kalam atikramya aham agatavan. I have come here. That is
very late. Exactly. Very correct. Very correct. Adedha. Anyam
pricchami. Not come at the right time. That is, I have come.
Correct. Neenga sonnadu correct.
Anyam pricchami iti. Now I'll ask from other person. He said. Raghu Gurave kiyat dhanam datavyam.
So Raghu is asking.
How much you have to your acharya?
Right.
Guru Dakshina.
Okay, wait. Okay, we'll make Brinda Bhagini read now. Brinda Bhagini was pathatu.
Yes, ma'am. Iti prishtavan kautsaka
avadat
swakatam katitavan.
Swakatam katitavan.
Iti prishtavan. So when he asked, Kautsar is telling swakatam katitavan mama adhyayanam.
Swakatam ityukte?
Swakatam. What, ma'am, excuse me, what did you ask?
Swakatham means what?
Kurave iyam dhanam dhatavyam. Iti pravan kautsaka swakatam. Sorry, ma'am.
கௌத்சஹ ஸ்வகதாம் கதித்தவான் அப்படின்னு இருக்கு இல்லையா? ஸ்வகதாம் அப்படின்னா ஸ்வகதாம், கதானா கதை, ஸ்வ அப்படின்னா
சொந்த கதை.
அதேதான், கரெக்ட். சொந்த கதை, தன்னுடைய அந்த கதையை வந்து கதித்தவான். he said.
ஓகே. மம அத்யயனம் samaptam. I have completed my studies. Tatah aham guru dakshina ka iti gurum prishtavan. So when I asked him what can I give as guru dakshina to you, guruhu uktavan. Guru told dakshina mastu. I don't want any dakshina. Bhaktya eva aham santushtah. I'm very happy to have you as a student. Whatever you have done, that is enough.
Very good. Bhaktya iti vibhakti ka.
Bhaktya pratama vibhakti. Bhaktya tritiya.
Correct.
Tritiya. Okay. Iti aham anurodham. Sorry, अनुरोधं कृतवान्. भक्त्या एव अहं सन्तुष्टः. So I'm happy with whatever to have you as my student. Aham anurodham krutavan guruhu kupitah. So when I repeatedly asked him, he got angry. Chaturtasha koti parimitam suvarnam diyatam. So I think it is
14 parimitam suvarnam diyatam.
14 crores of gold coins.
Chaturdasha ityukte?
Chaturdasha, it is Chatur is 4, Dasha is 100, Koti 14 crores. 14,000 crores.
14,000.
Chaturdasha is 14.
Chaturdasha.
14.
Chaturdasha is 14. No, okay. 14 crores.
14.
Yeah, 14 crores of gold coins I need, he says in anger. Iti uktavan aham daridraha. So I don't have money. Katam anayami. So how can I do that? Ataha atra agatavan. Tvam nirdhanaha anyatra gachami iti. So you also don't seem to have that much of money. I will find somebody else. Raghurajaha anyatra gamanam mastu. So Raghu told, no, please don't go. Yadi aham dhanam na dadhami darhi mama abhavadah. If I don't give money to you, then I will get bad name. Bhavishyati. So that will speak very bad of me. Atra eva vasam kuru. Atra eva vasam kuru. Katanchit dhanam sampadayami iti akatayat. So he said, I will somehow earn money and pay to you.
Atra eva vasam kuru ityukte?
Atra eva vasam kuru. Ma'am.
Be here till I get the money.
Oh, please be here. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Stay here. Atra eva vasam kuru. You stay here. Vasam, stay. You stay here.
Thank you, Vijayma. Anyasmin dine rahuhu kuberat dhanam gruhitum prastitavan. So I think he asked Kubera for money.
Anyasmin dine. Another day. Okay.
Another day. Yeah. Into tavata koshe suvarna vrishtihi abhavat. I think his treasury got filled with money.
Tavata. See, he wanted to. Kuberat. What is the vibhakti ma?
Kuberat 6.
Panchami.
Ramat. Kuberat.
Ramat. Panchami pratama purusha ekavachanam. Okay.
So anyasmin dine Raghu from Kubera dhanam grahitum prastitavan. So he wanted to get dhanam from Kubera. So kintu tavata, at that time, koshe suvarna vrishtihi abhavat. So koshe is in the treasury. There was a rain of gold. Suvarna vrishtihi. Raghuhu suvarnam kautsaya dattavan. So he gave it to Kautsaya. Kim vibhakti bhagini? Vrinda bhagini?
Chaturthi. See, Dattavan is there. So Kautsaya to Kautsaya. So to Kautsa he gave. Okay. Kautsasya manorathaha purnaha bhavat. So what is that? What does that mean? Kautsasya manorathaha purnaha. His wish got fulfilled. Yes, correct. Very good. Okay. Shari. Okay. So this is clear, right? Yes, ma'am. Okay. Here answer. Etesham uttaram likhata. Raghuhu kam yagam kritavan? Vishwajit.
Raghuhu Vishwajit yagam kritavan.
Samyak. Kautsaha kasya shishyaha? Purnam vakyam likhatu. Shishyaha. Varadantu munihi shishyaha. Munihi va munehe va?
Munehe.
Munehe. कौत्सः वरतन्तुमुनेः शिष्यः। गुरुः कौत्सं का गुरुदक्षिणां पृष्टवान्?
गुरुः कौत्सं 14 कोटि सुवर्णं
परिमितं
सुवर्णं पृष्टवान्।
सम्यक्। Okay, so here we stop. Anvaya kramaha we will do in the next class. And what sandhi is there in this?
Yes, Yan Sandhi is there, ma'am.
Yan Sandhi, very important. Yes, Yan Sandhi we will do. Okay, next class we will do Yan Sandhi and then we will finish this chapter, whatever is there. Okay. So we will wind up the class today. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ॐ। पुनः मिलामः। धन्यवादः।